me, Timbers. It's cold. 35 degrees here in the communist state of New York. 6 a.m. And it's 57 degrees here inside my facility at 1010 Central Avenue. I've had that running for 30 minutes. Turned on at 5:30 when I woke up. And it was 50 degrees. Now it's 57. Happy Tuesday. I have a lot to share with you of what we're doing today, and projects upcoming. So stick around, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, and hit that alarm bell to get post notifications when I drop a video. And let's not forget about the Mikey Pipes version 2.0 posters. If you want a free one, the first to email me, Mike at MikeyPipes.com, is getting one. All right, now that I had my shot of espresso, let's get the show on the road. For starters, I'm building a board. I have not that much headspace in this limited height. I don't want to call it a basement. I just want to call it like a 5.5 foot crawl space. Putting in a Burnham Alta tankless combi. We're doing an oil to gas conversion. So we're taking out a wildebeest. And I swear it's a wildebeest. I'll show it to you when the time comes. But a wildebeest with a an oil-fired water heater. Anyway, I'm putting together this Alta on a 4x4 board, of course, painted blue, pipe doctor blue, 2 zones with circs. We're gonna pre-wire everything. On my return, which is 1.25 inches, I'm just gonna come up and I'm going to build that on site because I don't need to whatever. You know what I'm trying to say. Tankless flush valves here. I'm going to squeeze in my expansion tank right here as well. It's going to be a little tight, but we'll make it work. We'll be all right. We will be all right. So wish me luck, folks. I have been letting this accumulate, especially that pile right there. We're going to cut that up with the bandsaw. Just came in yesterday. And yeah, it's good stuff. So let me tell you what we're doing today. Today is part 2 of the 2 5-ton Mikey Pipes by ACIQ high efficiency heat pump inverter ducted system install. We have the air handler. We have the outdoor side discharge condensing unit. We have a new platform that's going to be used as a partial return plenum that the air handler is going to rest on top of. We have a filter media cabinet. We have new hydro coil. I got some line set in case we need it. Now, this one, we uncovered that transmission fluid, that red oil that was pouring out of the outdoor condensing unit. Just horrible. Absolutely horrible. So we're going to be focusing on that today, and I trust it will be a very, very, very marvelous install. Very, very marvelous install. Looking pretty nice. Really looking pretty nice. So I'm going to start working on this, and I'll catch you guys later.